How you doing? Welcome to the Tactical Trader Bootcamp's free Forex video tutorials. This video we're going to be talking about trading hours and your trading rota or roster. Now, one of the most important things and why we actually develop our trading rota is mainly because we don't want to be sitting there watching the charts for 15-16 hours a day. You have to get out and get some fresh air and go on and enjoy life if you want a healthy lifestyle. So sitting watching charts for 15 hours is definitely not the way to go. If you're just going to be drinking tea and eating biscuits all day, you surely would put on a few pounds. So, we just want to devote a few hours out of the day for trading and studying. And one of the best ways to do that is to do yourself up a rota, just like a job would do. If you're not working just now, if Forex trading is your thing, then don't work any more than 8 hours a day working and studying, exactly like a job. But it's more beneficial if you spend less time, because it's pretty hard just watching a computer for such a long period. So if you come onto the website, you can get my trading rota template. It'll be on a link for you. You can download it easily, and this is what you'll get. I've just put a few things in here just for examples. So most of the time, most people will be sleeping all through here, and then for the rest of the week is individual to yourself. Everybody's different. You fill your day with something completely different about how I fill my day. So you fill these out, and what I do is, if you want to empty all these boxes and then print it out, and then for every hour, for every day, for the whole week, just fill it out with what you actually done for that hour. Whether it's working your job or sitting watching TV or too much relaxing, whatever it is, just put it in. You get a general perspective of how you actually spend your whole week. So it's 168 hours in a week. 56 of them on average are used for sleeping. 50 hours are used for working, usually. You lose a few hours for commuting to and from work, or whether it's going shopping, commuting, showering, getting ready for work. All these little things where you spend 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and so you just want to mark those down as little half hours. Don't worry about them too much. You will lose a few in there somewhere. Then you'll have a few blank spaces. You've got about 37 hours left to do your relaxing, spending time with your family, and starting your new part-time business or whatever it is. But out of those 37 hours, you've got to find 7 to 10 hours a week to start your part-time business. Okay, but the good thing about the trading rota is, if you find yourself sitting watching too much TV or too much relaxing, that is, you can find an extra hour in a day to stop watching TV and start working towards your new business. So if you go ahead, do this little task for yourself. I was quite surprised about myself when I first done this, about a little bit too much relaxing or a little bit too much working as well. So when I had my job at the time, but once you do this, you get a general perspective of how you fill your week. So go ahead and do that. So you can use this for any endeavour. Doesn't need to be just trading. I've labelled it as a trading rota, but you can use this for anything at all. Either you want to find time for the gym or spending more time with the family, go ahead and find that extra time. The other reason why we use the rota is so you can actually devote at least 7 to 10 hours a week to learn your new venture. So 1 hour a day, or if you want to compress it up into 5 days with 2 hours each day, so you can have 2 days off and you can cover 10 hours. You want to find those spaces in those days. The more time you can devote to learning your new task, the faster you can learn your new profession and start seeing results. So why do I say that Forex trading is a profession? Well, I know it's easy to think when you're sitting at home on the computer. It's easy to believe that Forex trading is just a game, or it's not so real. If you just picture the guys in the trading pit, placing their trades, high stress, shouting, screaming at each other. These guys, they use the same trading technology that we use today. These guys have gone through vigorous training, and only the best are selected. These guys are professionals, and you're competing with them. These guys are the best in the world. They treat Forex trading seriously, so should you. Forex trading is a profession, trading is a business, and you should be respecting it like one. Treat it like one. So, doing this little rota, start systemizing your whole business plan. Devote your few hours to trading every day, and don't overtrade. It's all these little things that amount to a bad trader. Good traders don't sit there for 10 to 15 hours a day. So try not to make that a habit. And it's a quick short video on that one now. So go ahead, get my template, fill it out for yourself, whatever it may be. It doesn't need to be Forex trading. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.